Hello, welcome to this video. Today we're looking at quizzes again, and I know for those regular subscribers or viewers of the channel, I do a lot of videos on quizzes, but it's my favourite tool when it comes to checking students' understanding. So the reason I'm doing a video this time is they've added some new questions. As you can see on the screen there, we've got labelling, hotspot and graphing. I'm going to focus today's video on using the new labelling feature. I will look to do videos on others at a later date. Once those videos are uploaded on the channel, if you click in the top right hand corner, they will be there. And then at the end of the video, I'll also link to my playlist, which has videos on pretty much all of the question types and how to use quizzes. So let's dive in and have a go at creating a quiz. So I'll go back to my home page. So I go to library. I've already got one example. So this is what it looks like. So let me add another question and I'll talk you through how to create it. So we will click edit and create new question, labeling, and then we're going to start by adding an image. So you can search for images or you can upload one from your device. So I'm going to do that. So we will find an image that I have on my desktop. So I want the one without the labels. Which is There we are. So we'll open that one. It will let you crop it as well if you need to, but I'm happy with that. And then we can start to add some options. Type in our question. And as you tick them, it allows you then to move them around. So you can pick up the little 6 dots and you can move that around there. So we've got mirror, and then we do shutter, aperture, and then finally viewfinder, and you can move them to where they are. So what's great about this is it will actually mark it when you come to do it. So that's how you do it. So we've added the question, we've added our options, and you can have up to 10 options. We've inserted our image, which you could either do from searching for an image or adding one from your device. And then you can do a preview and see what it looks like. So this is what it would look like. One thing I've found is that the preview doesn't give you the option to see in function. However, if we close the preview and save that, and save the quiz. Okay, so having created the quiz, we'll just start a live quiz so that you can see what the finished question looks like. They've also, they may have had it a while, but I also noticed they've got the read text aloud, which is quite a nice feature, makes it much more accessible. We're going to turn off any sound effects. So we'll click start there. We will jump back to the dashboard and we can start that as well. And we'll just make sure when it starts that we can mute it. So we'll mute that. So that's the teacher's view. Back to the student's view. So this is what the student will see. They'll have the question and then the option to drag the labels. They can pick it up and position it, or if they don't like it, they can just remove it. So let's quickly do that. So we'll put some purposely in the wrong place. And then hit submit. And just like with other games, you can get them to see their answers either at the end or immediately after they answer the question. So that's what it looks like. Really nice format, really easy to use. You get all of the features in that you can see the results of the questions and how they've answered them and how many people have got them correct. So another useful addition to Quizizz. So I hope you found that video useful. If you did, remember to subscribe to my channel and join me again soon for more EdTech videos. Thanks for watching.